Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with a two-part video series with a refresher on Fannie Mae's flood insurance requirements. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on September 4th, 2018, and the information in this video is subject to change without notice. In this two-part video series, we're going to talk about flood insurance. We're going to talk about general requirements and acceptable policies. But first, in part one, we're going to talk about general requirements. So, flood insurance is required for any property that has a residential building, dwelling, structure, or improvement that is located in a special flood hazard area. Now, most companies have built within their loan origination system an automated way of finding this out. You shouldn't have to go to the FEMA website, but just keep in mind that if a property is located in one of these areas, then they're going to have some type of flood insurance. Now, a special flood hazard area typically has been federally mandated to have flood insurance purchased or is located in a coastal barrier resource system or otherwise protected area. So if a property has has any dwellings or any structures within these areas, then flood insurance is going to be required. Now let's take a look at the coverage. Now this is specifically, this grid here is from the Fannie Mae guidelines, makes it very easy to understand. So if and that when the flood insurance is required. So it's again required for all residential buildings on the mortgaged premises if any part of the structure is located within that special flood hazard area. So let's take a look at this first part here. If any part of the principal structure on a property securing the mortgage loan is located in that area, then flood insurance is required on the principal structure. If a non-residential detached structure attached to the land on a property securing the mortgage loan has any part located in that special flood hazard area, it's not required on the non-residential detached structure. It's very important. And if a residential detached structure on a property securing the mortgage loan has any part located in the special flood hazard area, it's required on the residential detached structure. So they make it very clear here and very easy to understand. If certain things apply, then that's when flood insurance is going to be required. All right, that concludes part one of this two-part series. Make sure you check out part two, where we're going to talk about the acceptable policy requirements. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.